Are you looking for a very cute holiday romance or a book that you can read during holiday time? If yes, then I have a book suggestion for you. It's basically a review of Let It Snow by John Green, Maureen Johnson, and Lauren Myracle. So if you want to know what's the story of this book, how's the plot, how's the writing, and whether you should be reading it or not, then keep watching this video. Hi guys, I am Manpreet and today is my review day where I'm going to review this book that I recently finished reading. Now this is a collection of 3 short stories which are interconnected, and these are by 3 very popular authors. I just knew John Green, rest of them I know they are popular enough. But yes, we have 3 stories and I'm going to first start with the how the plot of these stories are. So the first story is by Maureen Johnson and it's called The Jubilee Express. It's about a girl whose life is very normal, and on the Christmas Eve all the weird things happen with her. Now this book starts on a very good note. It sounds funny, and even like I liked how it started, and there were surprises in the beginning. But as I went on, it was like the story was going on and I was thinking what would happen next, and nothing was happening. So it was just so it was a flat story with no twists and turns and with no, excitement in it. And even when the story was finished, I was like, okay, fine, the story is finished. So it didn't have that kind of excitement. So if I have to just rate this story, it would be like 2.5 out of 5, because yeah, it was just a normal good story and I kind of expected a lot more from it, so that it is holiday time, I wanted to enjoy it even more. Second story is by John Green, A Christmas Miracle. Don't count me on the names because I truly don't remember the names of each and every story, okay? But the story by John Green was very funny. I was reading John Green for the first time and I really liked the flow of the, whole story, and it was exciting. It was really good, nice, and you kind of felt really good. So basically, I'm just judging this from how I felt while reading the story. First one was like, second one was like, wow, this is nice. So that was like that. And the third story is by Lauren Myracle, and this story is like really good in the sense because all the stories meet in this story and all the good endings happen, and that is really cool. And this story is also obviously there is a different plot in this story as well. It's not just wrapping up the other 2 stories. So the plot of this story was also really nice. It's about a girl who just had a breakup, and she's very much sad about it. And I kind of liked it, the kind of emotions she went through, because she sort of loved the guy and now something happened between them. So it was really nice in that sort. And if you're wondering what the second story was about, it's like it's based more on friendship, and how there are some friends who are out on an adventure on the Christmas night. So yeah, that is really cool. So overall, if I have to rate the story by John Green, I would really rate it 4 out of 5. And if I have to rate the story by Lauren Myracle, I would rate it 3 out of 5. Now let's talk about the writing style. So the writing style of the first story, Maureen Johnson, was very, very simple, and I kind of didn't like it that much. Let me make it clear that it was really good enough that I would keep continuing with this book. I would love to, just flip on the pages and, wow, I'm finishing the story. So that was there, but, that epic factor was missing. That, lovely factor of feelings that you get while watching some holiday romances or holiday movies or reading holiday books was missing. The second story was hilarious. The writing style of John Green, I truly loved it in this book. I would not judge the writing style of John Green, as I said in my last video, until I have read more books by him. But in this story, the writing style was pretty amazing. You would like the, sort of connections and references made in the book. You would love it. And the last story was again a very nicely written, very beautifully written, I would say, story. So the writing style of all the 3 authors was very nice, except for the first one. Her was like average. Rest 2 was like, I loved it. Now it's about the characters. So in the first story, and I think the first story has a lot of problems. In the first story, even the character was like, first of all, there are not many characters in the story, and even then I could not connect with the main character who was reciting the story, who was narrating the story. So that was pretty disappointing, because after reading the whole story, I don't even know who this girl is who is narrating the story, because it's so complicated around her. And then other characters are also like, there is no depth in those characters. So that is like very shallow characters, and the author just wants you to know a part of their character, and that's it, because it's related to the story. So I didn't like it that much. Whereas in the second and third story, I truly loved how I could connect with the characters which were there in the book. I could connect with everybody, even the people who had really small roles. I liked them or hated them, and like I could have a emotional connection with them. Maybe that was very short, maybe that was very long, but I could have it. In the first story, I could not. So overall, if I have to rate this book, I would rate it 3.5 out of 5. I truly loved reading the book overall. I could not like the first story that much. I think I have said that like multiple times. But the whole journey through the book is amazing, and I would not really want you to miss the first story because they are all connected. So you have to read it and you will like it, but you will enjoy the last two stories really, really, really much, and that didn't make sense. Anyways, that's the review for this book. I would definitely recommend you to read it. It's a very light-hearted book, so don't go into it with lots of expectations. Just go and read it, enjoy it, keep it away, and start with the next book. Okay. So yeah, that's my review for Let It Snow by John Green, Lauren Myracle, and Maureen Johnson. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want me to review some other books, then comment down below. And if you like this review, I would really like your feedback, so comment down below. And also hit thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be back with another video day after tomorrow. Bye bye. This is Manvi signing off.